Okay, so I'm at work today, and you see, I got perfect smile. My teeth look awesome. Um, I decided to get them because I was tired of walking around with my teeth looking like this. You can see my teeth through the years have from smoking and just everything fell apart. But now, I mean, just with one hand, I'm back in and going. So, yeah, I'm pretty happy about the veneers. The price were good. It was $100 off as advertised. They fit perfectly. The kit, as far as making the impression, very easy to do. The whole process. Once I sent them back to them, I got them back in right about a week. So I'd encourage anybody that wants to change their smile and look better, go ahead and get them. You said it makes all the difference in the world what people think about you. Unfortunately, in this world, that's just the way it is. So I'm happy that I have them, and I hope you guys get some and enjoy yours also. Thank you.